Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review on and I want to show and have an update about this new product. This product is the MAT marketing and affiliate training. And I also I upload and a review video on this Saturday Wednesday. But I recently am informed by an update from MAT about 4 hours ago, and also included one upsell This is also done for you so I just want to take a look very short a video for update what is the price and upsell as well and you can see this. If you have no want to see the detail you can watch my last video about also the review MAT marketing and affiliate training. You can walk you through but I just want to take a look to update what they are including. There's also you can jump with there's also the MAT marketing and affiliate training. Let's take a look what is the update. Okay, this is also first of all this is also just to remind this is also a evergreen offer and you will get what you will get is core offer for Matt and Alex and you will get about 25 weekly training lesson step by step marketing checklist marketing in actual workshop what's working right now guys Q&A webinar for members question monthly newsletter and marketing interview and also you will get over 200 marketing tutorial video and this is also a breakdown of what you will get. Number 1, 52 weekly training lesson. Number 2, step-by-step checklist. Number 3, monthly marketing essential workshop. Number 4, monthly what's working right now guys. Number 5, monthly Q&A webinar. Number 6, training on essential tools. Number 7, massive video tutorial. You will get over 200 video cover everything topic you need to be an online expert. Number 8, monthly newsletter. Number 9, marketing interview. There is also what is the price and I will review that to you later in my bonus page. And this is also what is the up recently and informed by Matt. This is recently just for a few hours ago. This is upsell number 1. Upsell number 1 done for you blog. Upsell number 1 is a done for you blog set up option. This is a complete done for you option to get your blog set up using all the best practice we have learned over the year. Because if you have no blog and no idea how to learn everything is done for you. What is everything is done for you. What are they included? Including install, set up and configure your WordPress, install the essential plugin, install our premium plugin, install our preferred theme, done for you pages, the legal pages and contact us pages. Done for you contact your first high ticket review articles. This is an article. You can see article. This is not article. It is just one, not article. Maybe 2 or 3, maybe or more. Done for you the funnel. We will set up your first funnel for you. We know that the biggest hardest for most people is getting that initial website up and running. So we are taking the hard work out of you, helping members to hit the ground running. This is also a huge benefit if you are brand new and no idea how to set up your first blog. This is also a very everything is done for you. But this and you can see because you will have the premium plugin, theme and other pages. Everything is done for you. The price may be a little. It's not true. I will reveal that to you. And also they will come to a downsell. There's also I will read it to you just for one downsell because it also become the downsell. You will get a 12 income side hustle. It's also the 12 side hustle that can help you to pull some income stream online and generate the cash to boost them and online business. If you want to build your online business, some tools that you must have, but you are tight on budget, strict budget, and how you can make more money. And this 12 income side hustle will help you to make some money if you have some money, if you have all of them are free to join if you have some money you can take some of some of cash to and invest for your online business. Why I want to is invest not the cost because this is a business. This is also an investment, not the cost. This is not for your investment for your business. So this is not a cost. So lastly, I also will work on what is the price and upsell as well. And I also reveal it to you before I reveal it to you. And also let you know not let you know just about and the front end is just and up to now you can see this also just for 50, because you will get a 52 get weekly so you will have to pay month after month you will have to everything is done for you. I reveal it to you. You have a nice section you will have a $12 and $50 21 per month you will get a nice section and also what is included into the 200 video and also you can include WordPress training authoritative blogging affiliate blogging affiliate marketing basic traffic strategy advanced traffic strategy traffic guide video 25 traffic methods SEO getting started SEO workshop on page SEO for WordPress modern affiliate marketing social media marketing YouTube marketing video marketing other than that you have to pay $12 $50 and 12 and 21 cents per month and the upsell done for you blog setup is $147 downsell side hustle $11.83 because everything is done for you and this is not very expensive because I know some internet marketing may be charged over at least $200 or over $200. It is just for $147. If you want to everything is done for you, you can pick up this upsell or if you want to have side hustle no matter we want to have your online business this side hustle all of them is free to the side up you have some extra money and make some extra money as a side hustle at the comfort of your home. This also to help you to pay at least some monthly bill. So what? So just I just recap what I basically bonus for you Bonus number one, you will get a free video training course that will teach you how to make money online. This is a step by step high quality. This is also focused on how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Bonus number two, you will get a free membership you just have to give away this membership you will get paid in two ways the first you will unlimited cover the second you pick up any solo package Bonus number three, you will get a free affiliate program you can make a multiple stream of income promote your product or affiliate product build your email list is also the first priority for you to build your email list and also build your downline Bonus number four, you will get a course 0 to 100 in 24 hours Bonus number five, you will get another training course GC passive paydays Bonus number 6, you will get my chatbot revolution learn the secrets to saving insane amount of time and money by using the chatbox Bonus number 7, you will get a Sure File still free membership you will get the latest ebook software plug-in audio and video and also come with a giveaway this also you can build your list by giving away resell master resell and private label yes you can put your link you can put your photo picture website everything just as your own product and you can sell it 100% keep and you can keep 100% profit and bonus number 8 is my last bonus blogging advice for beginner learn the proven strategy to generate premium blog traffic for free you will get so if you want to pick up this product and also want to also get my all my exclusive bonus simply click the link below in the description the first link that they will come to my bonus page when you come to my bonus page practice any blue button go through the sales page and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0 all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus if So thanks for taking time. So this is also just for update. This is also I don't want to take up too much time. If you want to walk through, you can watch my last video the training and affiliate training and marketing course. Thanks for taking time to check out marketing and affiliate training and my review and bonus So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also to check my other my YouTube playlist I included multiple stream of income marketing tips and make money online tips and also don't forget to check out my description below because I also you can get a much more very reliable freebie you can get 2 training course 2 additional training 1 fun report you can use download and also you can have them 3 exclusive training workshop I hand pick up for you how you can make more money online and also I recently and included one fee system and how you can unlock to make money online in 12 income stream if you interested in you can check out my description below so don't forget to check out my description below to grab your freebie and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel see you.